There's mountains and piles of clothes. Also, it's so dark in here, but my ring light is unfortunately at the shop, and I've kind of like, I left it there like kind of by accident, and then everyone was using it, and now I'm like at this stage where I'm like, I don't know if I should take it away because I feel bad. But I just bought that new ring light. So I don't know what to do. Probably take back my ring light, right? Duh. Anyway, in the meantime, I am, this is the chaos of it all. I am putting away my laundry because a lot has happened. Y'all missed a lot. We went on a trip to Tanzania. It was beautiful. It was lovely. But I had a lot of clothes to clean, and then I jumped into work, and I have 2 jobs, and my job is very chaotic and very demanding and a lot. We can talk about that later, maybe when I get ready. I wasn't planning on getting ready tonight because I'm going to go see Mufasa. Bam, but it's Mufasa tonight at 9:55. It is currently 8:30. My man, I think he's gonna pick me up in like an hour. I would assume so. If the movie's at 9:55, right? I don't know if I'm going to get ready, but tomorrow I'm for sure getting ready. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting my clothes away. I'm like, let's pick battles. What do I want to do? I want to get ready. I really want to get cute. I didn't even get to do my eyebrows. I want to go get them done today, and I forgot. More important is getting my life together because it will have a clear head for the week. This is the lovely before. Oh my gosh, I put them in piles so I can organize them in my dresser. And you guys are probably like, oh, okay, it's not bad. No, I still have more to organize and deal with. I'm showing you the chaos live, and I'll be back when the chaos is completed. Okay, this is how life has been. I have no clothes left. Like I have no pants left to wear. Like this is a skirt, these are ripped jeans. I can't wear the rest of these at work. This is how life has been going because all my clothes have been dirty, but it's okay, we got it. Let's see how long it takes. It's 8:35. Fuck. I did it. That's the important thing here. I don't know when this man is coming. The movie is at 9:55. He said, I'll get ready. This was at 8:47. I really thought I was gonna be done by 9. And then I was like, oh, I have my closet to do, but that's done. Let me get my fit on. And then I was like, let me get a little cute. I would love to put like some gloss on, maybe some blush, maybe a quick little like tinted moisturizer or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, this is the look. The vibe, it looked like I'm a painter, and I like that vibe. I'm like a painter right now, but this is like such a cute movie fit, and now I'm gonna like play around with my face. I'll probably put some mascara on, some blush, even out the face, maybe put some powder. Just zhuzh my look up so I look a little fun. I'll let you know. And by the way, if you are curious, it is 9:36. The movie is in 20 minutes. Luckily, I live like 3 minutes away from the theater, but that's not the point. I hate being late. And I know they do previews, but still, I want to be at the theater. One thing I'm happy about is I found my lip balm. So let me get ready a little bit while I watch my show. I forgot to mention it's winter in Canada. So focus on me. Focus on me. So this is the look. I still think it's cute. Like I look real cute, but if we have to go anywhere, I'm ready for the occasion. Although I don't think we're going anywhere. I think I'm just gonna come back home. This is the look. And he'll be here in like 2 seconds. So I need to go put my shoes on. This week my mental has been weird. My period's starting soon, so that could be why. I've just been like not motivated and not feeling good or like wanting to do the things I should be doing. And it's been tricky on me because I don't want to do anything. I'm going to work and doing these things. I scheduled clients, but not too much this week. I usually work Saturdays with some clients, and I took my Saturdays off for today because I was like, I unbraided my hair. So like, let me just unbraid my hair today and use today to just get my life back on track a little bit and to feel better. My room and my bathroom is a disaster. I've told you guys this, and that day when I was supposed to, I couldn't. I just wanted to sleep, but I know it will make me feel better. So today we are going to clean up our, I'm so excited. I've also been like I like to like paint my nails and stuff, and I haven't had the time to do that. Like when my nails are painted and stuff, you know, my mental is probably on the up and up. And then I have a lot of like business things I want to do, like with the shop. Saturdays I typically go to the shop. I did not go today because I really just wanted to like sleep in. I don't get to sleep in too much this week. Like God has given me grace because I had a cancellation yesterday and I had a cancellation on Thursday in the morning. So I really got to like stay in bed. Although I had to like get up for some meetings, but like I really got to like stay in bed and I guess like rot in bed, excuse me, which is great for my mental, even though like it wasn't really good for my mental because I didn't do anything productive. But like sometimes rest is being productive. This is something I really liked and enjoyed doing a lot, and I always enjoy it, and it's always been therapeutic. And actually my therapist is on maternity leave, but she put me on her special list. But she said at least for a month I won't be taking any clients, and I'm like, okay girl. So she's like, but next month we're good to go. And I'm like, okay. So like I'm on her special client list, but this month I'm like, okay, I don't have my therapy, which is fine, but I'm like, maybe I can like lean into this a little more because I used to really love it and it really felt good. Yeah, so I'm going to turn on like a podcast or something, and I think I'm gonna time lapse me cleaning. Why not? Oh my gosh, really quick, a cleaning hack that has like always helped me is I go in pieces, but I like find what needs to be put away. So I scan the room really quick. For example, my bathroom, it's pretty hectic right now, but I scanned. I have clothes on the ground. I have bits of things that need to be in the garbage. I have skincare stuff, makeup, and like hair products. So I will go in parts. First thing is probably going to be getting the clothes off the ground and putting them where they need to be. I just throw them in my room and I deal with that when I get to my room. And then my hair stuff, I put that all where it needs to be. My skincare stuff, I put them all where they need to be. My makeup, I put them all where it needs to be. Trash, I put them all where it needs to be. And then when all that stuff is done, I can like wipe my counters and clean surfaces like my toilet, the bath, the tub. That's how I clean. Lifesaver. Forgot to do like a show you how everything looks. I set that up. This looks a mess. Down here looks a little chaotic right now, but we're gonna figure it out. But I had to show you that.
Baby August.
Really quick, I'm just pretty much finished cleaning my bathroom really quick. Do you know of any disposable good toilet brush cleaners? Because I've been in the market because I don't like this whole reusable toilet thing. I think it's disgusting. It might be a little wasteful, but I think it's hygienic. I want to get like a disposable one. I know Scrub Daddy has one, but I heard the reviews are really bad for that. So I'm in the markets. If you know, how would be helpful? I just brush my teeth and wash my face. One thing this week is, like I said, my mental health has been not the greatest. But with that being said, like my things that I enjoy doing were at a 0 this week. So washing my face, I love skincare. And my skin has done so amazing since I went to Tanzania. I feel like I've been a little lazy with it, but also like I've also just haven't done it. Even like TMI, brushing my teeth, like I was like not doing good. A little life hack, like if you are like in a depressive state and not leaving your bed, I had to leave because I had work, which is a good thing. But if like you're in a depressive state, at least leave floss next to your bed so you can at least floss, at least bare minimum, right? Like even that's hard to do, but at least with flossing, I keep staring at myself and that's annoying, sorry. But at least with flossing, you still get some hygiene. Your teeth aren't clean, but you're picking between them so you can like avoid decay. But yeah, but I feel a little good. My bathroom is clean, spotless. What's your favorite place to clean? I love cleaning bathrooms and my kitchen. Love cleaning those two, kitchen and the bathroom. My room, I don't like cleaning as much, and I really think it's because of like the lights. I'm going to put like the window open. Luckily it's in the day, but a lot of the time I'm a night person who's like cleaning, getting things done, and the productivity is not exciting in a dark room with like one light. I feel like that is why there's like those fluorescent lights in the bathrooms and the kitchen. My bathroom is clean, and as soon as I leave, look what's waiting for me. My clothes that I set to wait here because they're supposed to go in my room. I also need to clean my vanity, and my vanity is just jewelry, knickknacks, my nail stuff, contacts, perfumes. That's what's on my vanity. I do not like use it to do my makeup. I used to, because my vanity used to be in my room, but I changed the layout when I moved back because I wanted a different setup. Yeah, and I like it that way. My brother actually had this idea. Shout out to him. I just made myself a cup of matcha because I'm really cold. It's winter outside. I wonder if I could show you a little some. Like this is what my windows are looking like. With that being said, my room is so disastrous. I think I need to bring like a garbage bag in here the first thing I need to do is take all the garbage out. But my room is so disastrous right now. And I actually don't have motivation for this. I really didn't even have motivation to clean my bathroom, but I'm like, I have to do it. And that is what I'm going to do with my room. Like, I'm embarrassed to show you. I will show you this much. And then I think I already showed you a little bit in my room, my bed. There, you got a little snippet. There's a lot of hair because I just took my hair out, so that will be going in the trash. Do you guys remember saving braiding hair? Do you guys still do that? I don't save braiding hair anymore, and I love it that way because saving braiding hair made the takeout process way longer. My takeout process has gotten like really annoying because I'm like really stressed about my hair and always wanting, like I'm very gentle with my hair because I'm very hair health, go natural, like that's me right now. So I really take care of each and every strand. Like I said, in pieces is how I do things. So the first thing I'm going to tackle is I'm going to do trash, put all the trash away. And then usually I do like what is not supposed to be in my room. So like I will get all like jewelry if I have any in here, or like hair products, which I have some hair products in there because I use them to untangle my hair, and I just set them in the bathroom. I have my makeup bag in here, I set it in the bathroom. And then there's clothes. That's usually like the big chunk that's really helpful because it's like, okay, all the dirty clothes go in the hamper. It's really not gonna be bad. I just need to get into the jig, and again, there's sunlight, so that makes it a little easier because typically it's just this little light. And it just doesn't make me motivated. Will I do a time lapse for this? I don't know if it's even worth it, y'all, but just know there's a lot going on. And you know what? I'll just let you know when it's clean. You saw the little snippet, okay? All right, it's 6:30. I wanted to be done at 6 or in the shower by 6 to do my hair. I'm cleaning my room, like, as you can see, it's dark now. This was like a little miserable. And then like near the end, I get a little stressed. Like my bed, it looks cute. I get stressed because there's like little knickknacks on the ground, like that bobby pin and just like these wires. And then like I need to do this one, and then I have this one as well. Sorry, I made some matcha. Like filled with just clutter, and it stresses me out because like it's like everywhere has a place, and I put it in its place like doing that technique, and then like near the end I'm like, okay, there's like so much stuff. Where do they go? They don't really have a category. But at least it's like fixed. So what I'm going to do is take my brain out of it. I clearly need a break, and I'm going to wash my hair. And then we're going to do bowling tonight at I think 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna wash my hair and twist it. Maybe we'll take like 2 hours. And then after that, I'm going to come back and do my room with like a fresh brain. I'm hoping it'll be better instead of harping on these little things. But yeah, that's the update. Before, this is our hair right now. I need to clarify, it's like, I used like a lot of like hair lotion as lubricant to comb it out, which worked great, but now my hair is like sticky and gross. So let's go clarify the hair.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.